Kerala style Bittergourd gravy curry. It's a very delicious recipe from Kerala. Serve it along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. Take a pan and heat it. No need to use the oil. Add 1.5 cup of grated coconut, 5 sliced shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Fry it on high flame until it starts changing color. Keep mixing, otherwise it may burn. When it starts changing color, keep it low flame and cook until it becomes light golden brown color. When it becomes light golden brown color, switch off the flame. Keep aside for cooling for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, transfer it into a grinder jar and grind it without adding water. Keep aside for later use. Then, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1.5 cup or 250 grams of bitter gourd cut into small pieces like this. 1 sliced onion, 3 by 4 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Saute it on medium flame until the onion turns to light golden brown color.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
When it turns to light golden color, remove it from the stove. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it medium flame. Then add 3 dry red chillies cut into halves, 1.5 cup of chopped shallots, some curry leaves, 3 green chilli slits. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame. We can add the masalas. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon chilli powder. Cook on low flame for a minute. Then add 1 by 4 cup of tamarind dissolved hot water. We have dissolved small lemon sized tamarind in 1 by 4 cup of water. Also add 1.5 cup of warm water. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame. When it starts boiling, add the grinded paste to it. Wash the grinder jar with 1 by 4 cup of water and add to it. Also add half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, add the cooked bitter gourd to it. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, we will get semi-thick gravy. Switch off the flame. Our Kerala style Bittergourd gravy curry is ready. It's a very delicious recipe from Kerala. You just need only 20 minutes to make this yummy recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.